Alright, so today we are going to see how to translate zone error messages using next-intl and Nextjs. Let's go. So we have our error messages here. For example, we have one message here, customer info form validate min. So this is the French message, and we have the English message here. And what we need to do is be able to have this message appear in French when we are on the French version, and in English for the English version, of course. So let's jump into our form. We have the form here. So what we did the last time is that we kind of consolidated all of our translation here. But in order to be able to translate this, we need to move this part inside the state. Okay? So let's do that. But we can't just do this because we are going to use the translations. Okay? So T is use translations from next-intl. Okay? So T basically is an object where we can just get the translation. So we can do this, and for example, we can just T, let's check a key. We have customer info form, first name label, for example. Okay? So if we check that, first name label. So this is a key that we have. And if we check out, okay, you can see that it's English here, and now it's French. Okay? So to be able to leverage these translations inside the component, we are going to do something kind of special. Okay? So we are going to, let's delete that. And what we will do, we are going to make this into a function that accepts a translation object. Okay? And now we can just transform this, and it's going to be this. And T, of course, is going to be from, let's check the type. This is, what is the type? Use translation. Okay, we can just type it out. Return type of use translations from next-intl. Okay, that should do it. Okay, so now what we can do is that we can say min, and we can pass a message here, which is going to be T, customer info form, first name validate min. Okay, I have an error here. What is it? Okay, okay, and now what is that? Form schema. Of course, we don't have this anymore. So in order to keep this type, what we can do is move this up into a separate hook. Okay, use form schema, so we can get the translations here. We can get this here, and we can just return. Actually, we are going to memorize this. Okay, so we're going to do lang equals use local. Yep, and we're going to memorize this. So react use memo. It's going to return actually just the schema. Okay, like this, and we are going to change this only when long changes and when T changes. Okay, so now we have our hook for this, and of course this is going to be type of, so return value, return type of use form schema. And finally, all we have to do is to call our hook. So form schema is going to come from the hook. Use form schema. And yeah, that's it. If we check it out, we can see that we have the English error message and the French error message. That's it, guys. So see you for the next video. Ciao.